Hello my friends, welcome back to a quick video where I'm going to show you how to properly restore this thing here instead of buying a brand new one from Mitsubishi for 3 million pesos. Hello my friends, welcome back to another video, and as you can see, this is a Mitsubishi. Okay, it's a 1993 Mitsubishi. That's what my car is, but this one came out of probably a 95, 94, 95, all the way to 99, because they changed them. So my mine was a little bit different because it has the color and then 3000 GT. So I'm getting it painted, and it's difficult to get those numbers 3000 GT. And so I'm replacing it by this, which I bought at a junkyard. And so you can see it's all faded. So right now the purpose of this video is to clean it. And to do that, this is what I've been using. I bought these, I don't remember, probably under $20 many years ago, and I always have some left. So that's all you need. It comes with those two, and this is the spray or the clear coat, and then this is the solution to clean this, and comes with 2 pads. This is optional. All it is it's extra elbow grease. You just put it here, but you don't need this machine, which I bought at Walmart many years ago. But you put it here, and then you put the solution, and then you turn it on, and so it will make it faster, better. And to start, we can always do this, okay? Do this, and then apply the solution. Okay, to do this. Clean that. See how it's okay. Yeah, you may not be able to see it, but I can see this part here. This here is cleaner. It's cleaner. Add more. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah. Very nice, you see? It looks clean. So I'm going to do this one more time, and that's it. One more. All right. See, there's nothing. It's just a plastic, no electronic. That's it. Now I'm going to rinse it with clean water and come back to dry it up. All right, so you see, I buff it. I think that's enough buffing. And all right, so now let's see how this goes. It's very shiny. I'm not too good at doing this because there's an art. There's an art to spraying stuff like that. But again, you can see how clear it is. You're gonna give it time to dry, and I give it another coat. Last coat. Very nice. Very nice. Thanks for watching.